Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Msvcp140 dll missing in Fall Guys, then this is the right video for you. First, search and open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now, go to Microsoft.com. From here, go to the search bar and type in Visual Redistributable C++. Then, open it. Now, go to the first link as shown here. After that, scroll down and click on Download. Now, select all the files and click on Next. Now it will be downloaded. Locate the files on your computer. Now, open the 64-bit file and install it. After that, open the 86-bit file and install it as well. Once it's done, your problem should be fixed. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.